add half a cup of rolled oats to your blender. Next, add 1 cup of strawberries and half a banana. Finally, pour in 1 cup of milk. Add some honey for natural sweetness. Then add a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Follow that with 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. Now blend until smooth and creamy.
Blend everything together. Pour the vibrant pink smoothie. Garnish with fresh banana and strawberry slices. This is such a healthy and filling breakfast smoothie.